There are schools that are already at home, especially boarding schools. I challenge all of us as a Republic of Kenya. It is time we recalibrate our national values. Whatever we are seeing in our schools is communicating something about the values that we have as Kenyans. And right from school, it is important to avoid the kind of things that are happening. Even as we do remedial measures to curb them, it is time now to know that we need one overarching values as a country. Kwa sababu hii mambo ya kuchoma shule na ya migomo, we have seen it most of the second terms. And clearly, it is not isolated. There is something we can learn about that trend. And one thing that comes out very clearly, we have abandoned our values. Maybe politics have become so dominant in our personal lives and in our communal lives and our social lives that we are departing from being Kenyans, from being human beings. We are becoming reactive every time.